In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in into Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through each step clearly, making sure you can access your account without any hassle. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. The easiest and most common way to begin our journey to signing into Microsoft Teams is by navigating to the Google search engine. Simply open a new tab or window in your browser, and in the address bar at the top, type google.com and then press the Enter key. This action will take you to the familiar Google homepage, ready for you to input your search query. It's a reliable and straightforward starting point for finding almost any application or service online, including Microsoft Teams. Ensure your internet connection is stable so you can access the website smoothly. Now that you're comfortably on the Google homepage, direct your attention to the prominent search bar located in the center of your screen. Click inside this bar to activate it, and then carefully type in the exact phrase Microsoft Teams. It's important to pay close attention to your spelling here to ensure that Google provides you with the most accurate and relevant search results. After you've finished typing, you can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the dedicated Google search button. This action will then populate your screen with a list of various links pertinent to Microsoft Teams. Once Google has presented you with the search results, take a moment to review them carefully. You're looking for the official Microsoft Teams website. This will typically appear as a prominent link, often titled Microsoft Teams, and will usually be associated with an official Microsoft domain, such as teams.live.com or microsoft.com. It's crucial to identify and click on the legitimate website link to ensure you're accessing the correct and secure service. Avoid clicking on any advertisements or unofficial-looking links that might appear. Once you've confidently located the official link, simply click on it. This will redirect your browser to the main Microsoft Teams website. Upon successfully navigating to the Microsoft Teams homepage, take a moment to orient yourself. Your next objective is to find the Sign In button. This button is almost always strategically positioned in the upper right-hand corner of the page, a standard placement for login buttons across many websites, making it relatively easy to spot. It might be clearly labeled as a distinct button or appear as clickable text that simply says Sign In. Clicking this particular button signals your intention to access an existing Microsoft Teams account rather than signing up for a new one. Go ahead and click it to proceed. After clicking the initial Sign In button, you might find yourself on an intermediate page or a slightly different view within the Microsoft Teams portal. On this new page, you will likely encounter another Sign In button. This second button is crucial for progressing with your login. It could be more centrally located or more clearly highlighted than the previous one, often prompting you to explicitly confirm your desire to sign in with an existing account. Clicking this second Sign In button will prepare the system for you to input your credentials, bringing you closer to accessing your Teams workspace and its various features. You have now reached the final and most critical step where you will input your account details. A new window or a dedicated section on the page will appear, clearly prompting you to enter your email, or perhaps email, phone, or Skype. This is where you will accurately type in the full email address that is directly associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Take your time and double-check for any potential typos before moving forward, as even a small error can prevent a successful login. After precisely entering your email address, you will typically click a Next button or press Enter, which will then prompt you to enter your password, granting you full access to your Microsoft Teams account.